Nutritional support is an act that is aimed to reverse malnutrition. Malnutrition, in the other hand, is the dietary imbalance of food that affects human mental health. Many youth in this dispensation are being affected by malnutrition due to the food in which they take into their human system. In Nigeria, we are faced with a lot of nutritional challenge, especially in the area where there is insurgency or like Boko Haram attack. Most of the people are being kept in the IDP camp. In that IDP camp, most of the youth cannot request for the food which they need, but they accept the food which their caregiver gives to them. And that food can make them to be malnourished and cannot make them to be very active in their day-to-day work. So this nutritional support is to help the youth to know the type of food in which they are to eat and to advise government to provide the adequate nutrients in which those youth need to make their mental health to be balanced. We have two types of nutrition: the undernutrition and the overnutrition. Undernutrition is when we take little nutrients to our human system that is not adequate for our mental health. And overnutrition is the type of nutrition where we take too much nutrient that may cause harm to our mental health. In developing countries like us in Nigeria, we undergo undernutrition, which causes kwashiorkor, which causes wasting and causes other kinds of metabolic imbalance in the life of many youth. So we are advised as young youth in our generation to try to understand our dietary intake. And how can we understand this dietary intake? Is through nutritional education. The government need to bring out youth that can educate their fellow youth so that they can teach nutrition education. They can tell their fellow youth what they need to take. Because if their fellow youth go to teach them about this nutrition education, they tend to listen because they believe that they can be like their fellow youth.